Wow, and welcome back to another DIY session on Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today I am going to install BMC Air Filter on my motorcycle, which is TVS Apache RTR 160 FI 2008 model. So I will see you guys right after this intro video and tell you how to install a BMC Air Filter onto your motorcycle. See you on the other side of this intro video. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to install the BMC Air Filter. So special shout out to BMC Air Filters or BMC India for making this unit available for me, because this is a quite old unit. But then thank you BMC India once again for making this available. So what do we need for this DIY? We would need a star screwdriver, because the air filter will go in here. So I need a star screwdriver for this, and without wasting too much of time, let's start installing this. So let me just show you what is the kind of filter which goes into this. So you see, this is a cylindrical type of a filter which goes in to my Apache RTR. So what is the benefit of having one of these filters is that compared to a normal OE filter which goes in, these are much more higher spec and a better performance filters. So what happens once you install this, your initial throttle response will increase immediately, because there is better breathing. That means there is better combustion of fuel, and that will automatically lead to a better performance of your motorcycle. And these are considered as a lifelong air filter. You need not change once you change this particular BMC air filter or any other brand air filters. So you need to rejuvenate this as and when they get dirty. So normally, ideal scenario, if you're staying in a regular place where it's not too much dusty or anything between 15,000 to 20,000 kilometers is a good time to take the air filter out, clean it and put it back. So you get a rejuvenation kit as well, where you have the cleaner and then the oil which goes in. Otherwise, if you're in a dusty area where there's a lot of pollution around, in that case I think you need to take a call on your own. You need to open once in a while and check if there's a lot of deposit of dust, or if your engine is choking, if the breathing is choking, you need to take that call. So now let's quickly install the air filter on this. Now let's start first removing the cover where the air filter is there. And there's the air filter. So you have 4 screws. Again, unmount them. Been there for quite a long because of the kind of rides I've been doing. There's a lot of dust here. So let's just quickly remove this and install the all new BMC air filter there. So this is just the cover. So this is the air filter. You see this. So it's quite good. There's not too much of stuff there. So if you see here, they use sponge, and in BMC they use cotton, so that breathes better. So let me just open this and show you. This is the air filter that you get. pretty straightforward. You just plug in there, that's it. So you need not use this cover again for this, because in this case there's no additional cover, so you need to use that. Now let's install the new filter, that is BMC filter. And what this will do is will immediately give me difference in initial throttle response, and yes, this will breathe better. So it's as simple as this, not too much of a problem. Just first screw them lightly, and then maybe once you've all the 4 screws fit in, you can start tightening them. So a lot of people have this myth saying that you can install an air filter only if you're putting a piggyback or Powertronic or anything. So that's not true. You can install a air filter to any motorcycle or scooter, even without having a piggyback. And this was the old air filter which we just took out, and this is the new air filter, and that's it, pretty much done. And if you guys also need an air filter, give a shout out, send in a message, and let's see if we can get you guys a deal. And this would be only for Weekend on Wheel subscribers only. You can connect with me on the Instagram if you need one of these, and tell me what motorcycle is that, and let me talk to BMC guys and see if we can get something new. And yeah, we are done. And you just saw how easy it was to install the BMC air filter. It's a pretty straightforward plug and play. And special thanks to BMC India for making the filter available for the Apache RTR 160 Fi. And if you want me to do a video on any other motorcycle, if you think it's kind of difficult for you to install, do let me know. I will try to figure out that motorcycle and also see if I can get a BMC air filter to show you guys a demo on doing how to install it, do it yourself. So my Sunday is sorted. I just upgraded my motorcycle with BMC air filters. That's it. So until the next video, stay tuned, and if you have any questions, drop in the comments and I'll be more than happy to help you guys. And that's all guys, bye bye for now. I'll see you guys in my next video.